Hey guys, Gal Level here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Divoom Pixoo. Now let me start by saying I love this thing. I love it so much. It's from the same company that made the Divoom D2. This one is a Bluetooth speaker and it actually has a mechanical keyboard. But this one is just a display and it's a pixel art display. Animation, static, everything, but it does so much more. Now for full disclosure, the company actually sent me this display because they believe that this would be a good gift for my audience during this holiday season. And I gotta say, they're right. But there's a couple of things that are kind of weird with the whole marketing and who they really made this product for. But we're gonna get into that. Now as usual, when you open the box, everything looks great, everything feels premium. And on top of that, they gift you a bunch of little stickers. Oh my god, I love those. Those are super cute. That probably sounds silly, but this adds a lot of value to this package, really. Anyways, and then inside you will find the actual Pixoo. You will find a little stand. It is a stand. I thought it was an antenna at first. I was like, well, why is there an antenna? But it's a stand and it works really well. I wondered, oh, maybe we should have two stands to make sure that it's secure, but this works really fine. I even bopped it a little bit to make sure that it wasn't gonna fall. It works well. And then of course we will find a USB-C charging cable. Now on this side there is a power button, but it's two buttons. It's not that obvious. If you press down, so at the bottom, it can change the category of animations. You can set up a bunch of categories. We'll also get into that really soon. But if you press up, that's where you press and hold to turn it on or turn it off. It does a little beep that I don't really like when it's turning on. Awful, absolutely awful. I don't know if it's because I'm low on battery or something, but whatever. When it turns on, it automatically shows you the time. Oh, it's inverted right now. But then you can press that button but then you can press at the bottom here. Whoops, what was that? Then you can press to change categories. And then from now on, you can just leave it and it will switch between all the animations that are in that category. Now, on hands, this is the part that I did not like. Of course, you can set the little tripod. Well, it's not a tripod, it's a stand. You can set the little stand here and then it stands up on your desk or on your shelf, because I'm thinking this is good shelf material right there. Good shelf decoration. It's amazing. I love it. And then for the USB-C, the way that there's a groove in the back that will allow you to charge it while it's still standing up. So there's no compromise here. There's no clunky design here. Here's the part where I'm kind of disappointed. It's when I saw those little mounts on top and at the bottom, I got excited because I told myself, hey, I could put this on a tripod. Oh my god, I could put it on a selfie stick, or I don't know. It would be compatible with all of my camera equipment. No, it's not. I thought those were 1/4-inch threads, but they are absolutely not. Those are apparently the classic mount for car holders, like phone holders and GPS holders. On top of those two threads at the top and the bottom, you also have this little mounting thing. I guess this is universal for GPS holders. Also, you will probably see that my hands, like, I have to keep a little thing handy just to wipe off my fingerprints, because this is fingerprint city like crazy. But anyways, the cool thing here is that with this, you can maybe mount it to a wall with a nail. I'm not sure, but hey, it comes with a stand. Put it on top of a shelf or inside of a shelf. It will be fine. Now, so far I've presented it as if it was just a pixel display and then you have a bunch of preloaded animation and that's it. That is not it at all. They have an app that comes with it that allows you to do so many things that it's kind of ridiculous. If you watch my review for the D2, and I really advise you watch it because I go more in depth into all the things that you can do, there is a whole community around those products. That means the animations that are preloaded, there's a ton of them. As you can see, it hasn't stopped and I'm only on one category. But also you can create your own animations straight from the app, okay? From your phone, from your tablet, you can create your own animations. You can display whatever you want. There's a text display creator and all of that. There's so much you can do. There's so much you can do. But as I said, there's a community so that you can upload your own animations to the cloud. That means that there are already thousands, if not millions, of people who are already of animations, maybe not millions of people, I don't know, but there's already millions of animations that you can select from just from the cloud. And there are some amazing ones, all the pop culture ones, they're there. And let me actually pull out my phone. And I gotta say that I love the fact that it's one app for all their products. That's cool, but this one is not a speaker. I tried playing music. This doesn't play music at all. It's not a speaker, it's meant to be a display. Now, the first thing that I wanted to test, apart from the animation stuff, is, you know, the same thing that impressed me a lot with the D2. I was like, oh, can I still play games with it? And yes, you can. I tested Tetris, but there's also a bunch of other games that you can play. Your phone will be used as the controller and the display will be used as the display. Let me quickly go through all the things that you can actually do with this app. You can do design. That means you're just creating a frame. So you're doing pixel design straight into the app. You can do pixel animation, of course. You can do text editor. So the text is going to be scrolling by. You can add different colors, different background effects, and all of that. There's pixel coloring. I feel like this is more for maybe for children. I think they give you a canvas and then you have to color it. There's Mixer for some reason. There's a whole audio mixing DJ part of it where you can play like different instruments and stuff. It's like 1,000 apps in one app. There's voice messages because other than the whole community thing, there's also, you know, you can send DMs to people in the form of animations, in the form of text, and also in the form of voice messages with sound effects to your voice. You can speed it up and make it a robot, make you sound like a baby. There's there's so much. You can use it as an alarm. You can make it go to sleep at a certain time. You can use it as a planner. You can play games, as I said, stopwatch, celebrations. I don't even know what that. Oh yeah, if there's birthday special events and stuff like that, it will warn you. A countdown meter, a noise meter, a scoreboard. It can show notifications. This is kind of the most important. It can show notifications on your social media. That's cool. If you get, you know, notifications, it will light up or whatever. And the weather, I'm not sure about this one. And of course, when you go to the channels, there's so many options. It's hard to go through, but like the clock, you can change the appearance of it as you wish. There's of course other clocks, and if you want to display the weather, it will just show you if it's currently raining. It will show like an image of something raining and all that. The temperature for some, there's a temperature thing. And then you can set up like your channels, your visualizer, everything. You can make your custom ones. You can explore all the community made animations. Those are really cool. And then there's a music part where you can connect to radio stations. But that wouldn't be that useful for this one since it's just a display. Now here's something that I think is weird with the whole marketing, and even when I was reading the user manual, they were really pushing the whole car thing. I don't understand, because I feel like this is good for anyone. Like anyone could use this like on a shelf, and this is like dope decoration for a shelf. Pretty much. And of course, it's not just decoration, it can be helpful and stuff like that. It connects to Bluetooth so you can walk around and whatever, but something that is cool if you do have a car and you want to put this, you know, through your window or whatever, is that apparently they have a technology that allows you to set it up on your phone so that when you start your car, it automatically recognizes it and then it starts this. And then when you stop the car, I don't know how it works. I don't know if it's the vibrations. I do know there's a vibration sensor or something, because on the app it mentions a shake to do whatever, but yeah, that exists. If that's your thing, that's absolutely a possibility. But for my audience, I know that you guys, what am I on right now? I know that you guys are mostly streamers, you know, my audience, and you know, even out of focus, since it's pixel art, if you're interested in pixel art at all, but even out of focus, this still looks great. And that's what I love about it, is that, as I said, as decoration, streamers are always looking at gear to make their streams look good and blah blah blah. And you know, once you got your nano leaves, your LFX or whatever it's called, what else is new? What else is original? What else will make you stand out? knowing that you can put your own art or just download whatever game. There's a bunch of game related ones. You can display that in the background with your branding, with the colors of your branding if you want to, or whatever, really whatever. Since you get notifications, that could be interactive with your chat, for example. You know, hey, retweet my going live post, and every time I get a notification, it will pop up on this thing on stream. Anyways, it's probably not just live streamers watching this video. If you're new here, hi, I usually make content for live streamers, but okay, so right now on their website, it seems to be at $89, and apparently it's usually at $150. It is not currently available on Amazon.com, so you have to buy from their website, which means that I'm not getting any commission. But it's a cool thing that you go to their website because you'll realize that they have a bunch of other pixel art related and also other stuff, but their pixel art products are usually super cool. So yeah, this is the Divoom Pixoo Max 32 by 32 pixel display. I really want you to put this on your shelf. To be fair, I'll probably end up putting it right there. Anyways, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Personally, I really like it. I feel like it's really for everyone. Anyone can profit off of, anyone can have this as a pretty cool decoration, modern decoration. Well, if you actually happen to be a live streamer and you're looking for some overlays to make your channel look amazing, go to gumroad.com/guy-level. Other than that, top right, YouTube will show you what they think is the best video to watch next. And underneath that, you will see my most recent video. I advise you go watch the D2 review. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud, guy-level, out.